Hello everybody. So now I'm trying to record a video about the process of setting up our collaborative work with the Team Smart. So the first thing I want to show you is teamwork policy. So you see there are main issues which are here: team collaboration, communication details of members, goals, skills, problem solving, team ground rules, online communication methods, leadership style, rules of the team members. So, and if I scroll down, you will see how we work on each and write our details of members of our group, our team. So also the goals and skills, then problem solving, where was mentioned potential challenges, conflict resolution strategies. So the policy, team ground rules, so all the members are included here. And then methods, online communication methods, leadership style, roles of the team members. So, and then if we move further, I want to show you also there our syllabus of the course, and also you see here the main issues: course title, vulgar, abstract, audience, duration of the course, objectives of the course, topic section, and so on. And so we tried to add and discuss it. So you see there picture to their to the course. Then in total we if we go inside our team Smart, so this is what we've got. So you see that we have 5 weeks. So if we click on our view, we were working on CPD for teachers. So, and you will see the overview, objectives, duration, so what kind of topics we included, and different 5 weeks, as I mentioned. So I worked on week 2, and the activities which I was responsible for, this is forum, and where participants can write and add a new discussion topic. And the second was quiz. So quiz. So I tried to do it, but it was just I completed. I didn't do anything, but you see that we have the highest grade, and so I didn't do it. And if you want, you can reattempt the quiz and start just choosing their variants. And if we push up here, then we can go to the next one, or finish the attempt, right? So next activity, finish the attempt. So this is our course, and thank you everybody.